If Adobe Lightroom is giving you a GPU error, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to fix the Lightroom GPU error on desktop, and I'll keep it simple so you can get back to editing as fast as possible. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom fixes and tutorials. The first thing to try is turning the GPU off completely. This is the quickest fix, and for a lot of users, it stops the error right away. Open Lightroom, then go to Edit, then Preferences, and click Performance. In the Performance section, look for Use Graphics Processor and turn it off. Once you disable it, restart Lightroom and see if the problem is gone. In many cases, that alone solves the GPU error. If Lightroom still shows the error, the next step is to change the GPU mode instead of leaving it on full power. Go back to Preferences, open Performance again, and look for the GPU setting. If it's set to Auto or Full, change it to Basic. This gives Lightroom less pressure from your graphics card and can make the app much more stable, especially if your computer is older or has a lower-end GPU. Another important step is updating Lightroom itself. Sometimes the error happens because the app is outdated or there's a bug in the current version. Open Adobe Creative Cloud, check for updates, and install the latest Lightroom version if one is available. After the update finishes, restart your computer and try Lightroom again. If you're using a lower-end system, my pro tip is to keep GPU off unless you really need it. Lightroom can run more reliably without it, and that can help you avoid crashes, freezing, or display errors while editing. You can always test GPU settings later if your system handles it better after updating. So to recap, first, turn off Use Graphics Processor, then change the GPU mode to Basic if needed, and finally, update Lightroom through Creative Cloud. Those 3 steps fix most Lightroom GPU errors quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.